everybody, and welcome to my channel where I show you my different collections and hobbies and whatnot that I like to do and find interesting and thought that I would share with other like-minded people. So I have a pretty okay, I would say, Tamagotchi collection, and I have a special unboxing that I thought I would share. I got this from Japan, which is a proxy server to buy goods from Japan sites like Mercari Japan, eBay, that kind of thing. And then you order to this proxy site and they hold it at a warehouse and ship it out to you. So I got this Tamagotchi Plus Color, which is the first color Tamagotchi that was released in 2008. So 17 years ago. I won this on an auction for 200 USD, which is pretty good for a brand new, unopened inbox Tamagotchi Plus Color, which I was pretty excited about and pretty surprised that I got. Nobody else bid on it. So I thought I would go ahead and open this. I've never bought anything new in box, so I'm a little bit nervous. It was packaged very well though, and it arrived here super quick. Like, I finalized the shipping and everything on the 31st, yesterday, and it got delivered today. Don't mind my cat running under my camera and knocking everything apart. I'm nervous. Like I said, I've never bought anything new in box, so it's not tested, and this is 17 years old. So I'm a little bit nervous. Like shaking. I hope it works. A lot of money for something that doesn't work. I'm gonna be very careful not to cut the packaging or myself. I think my cat is going to be an issue. Okay. Here it is. Sorry about the ring light. Trying to get it like an angle. It's so pretty. White is not my favorite. The orange one is my favorite. It comes in basically all these colors down here. But yeah, this is the only new in-box one that I saw, and a lot of the other ones are obviously kind of beat up because they've been around for a while. The packaging looks good. Okay. Don't mind me not really paying attention for a minute while I try to carefully open this. So afraid I'm gonna like rip the packaging or something. Okay, here's the box. The cute little characters. This is in Japanese. Obviously the first color Tamagotchi didn't come to the United States in English until, at least natively in English, until the Tamagotchi On, I believe. And still has the instruction manual, obviously, which is very cute. Probably not gonna open that. It's not right this second. Okay. And still has the batteries, obviously corroded. Those will be thrown away, but luckily they don't package them inside the toys, so it shouldn't hopefully have any effect on the toy itself. Okay, trying to see how best to open this. I figured I'd record unboxing this because it's not every day that you get to watch a video unboxing a Tamagotchi Plus Color, brand new in box in 2025. I don't know if this is how I should open this, but it looks like this is how it opens. I don't know. Oh, this is like so corroded and gunky in here. I'm not sure. I think this just comes out. Let's try to keep the batteries in here. Gross. Let's set that aside. And, okay. Does obviously have some corrosion damage there from the battery. Maybe kind of dumb, but I'm really not sure how to open this. Alright, let me pause this for a second and figure out how to get the plastic out without tearing it apart. Okay, so I did damage the box a tiny bit where it was corroded getting that out, but oops, I did my best. Alright. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to save this sticker. I'm like almost like scared to handle this. She's so pretty. I have a case coming in the mail, but I didn't expect this to get delivered so quickly, so I don't have it yet. Okay, let's put some batteries in it. That's my other virtual pet. Okay, I need a smaller screwdriver head for this. I really feel like I'm handling like a baby. I'm like so scared to do anything. I never really got the hang of the Japanese ones where you just like or is that the recent? Maybe it's this? It is that. Okay. I'm so nervous. It should be 2 AAA batteries. gosh. Isn't she pretty? I don't know what to do about my ring light, so sorry. I don't make videos very often and I'm not super good at it. Okay. April 1st. 701. My birthday. Okay, I'm just gonna do, actually, how do I get back to the blank? The buttons feel good. I'm so glad that this works. I was so nervous. I'm probably not gonna do like a whole like playthrough right now, just the setup. Look at the egg. I gotta figure out how to change the brightness so that you can see a little better. Look, isn't she pretty? Don't mind my gigapet being really loud and obnoxious. Okay, I don't think I can change the settings while it's an egg. I don't know how long, I've never had like an older Tamagotchi color. My first one was the Tamagotchi on in the meats. So I don't know how long these older ones take to hatch. If it's like a minute or longer. Okay. Alright, we shall pause and come back when she's hatching. Alright. Oh, look at the little mushroom baby. It's so cute. Okay, let's okay, it's a boy. Okay, I'm gonna have to look up the settings to change the brightness, but I will do all of that and then maybe come through and do like a little bit of a playthrough and through the menus a little bit later. But yeah, just wanted to show you the Tamagotchi Plus color in 2025. Came out, I believe, 2008. She's so pretty. I don't have any white Tamagotchis, very pearlescent white. And I like it. I'm so excited. I can't believe I got this for such a good price for a brand new in box, and it works and looks brand new, has no issues. But yeah. That's that. Alright, sorry about all the noise. Thanks for coming and watching this unboxing with me. Bye!